Thank you for taking a few minutes to review our information. Each day at Mutual Savings Credit Union, we work to live up to our promise. You can do that. We want our members to know that low-cost loans, multiple savings tools, and convenience are just some of the benefits they can expect from us. As an employer, we understand that you look for ways to provide competitive salaries and benefits. You constantly look for cost-effective ways to bring more benefits to your employees. Large or small, the daily challenge is still the same. More benefits for less money. Mutual Savings Credit Union can help you do that. For over 75 years, we've had preferred partners, companies like you, that offer Mutual Savings Credit Union as a benefit. Plus, it's great for your bottom line because it's free to you and your employees. In the last several years, many companies have required their employees to use direct deposit for their paychecks. This not only saves money for the employer, but is much safer and expedient for the employees. We offer this and many more services that benefit not only the company, our preferred partner, but the employee as well. Mutual Works is our promise to our preferred partners. We offer extra benefits such as free on-site educational seminars because we strongly believe that informed consumers make better financial decisions. We are committed to our members who may need small loans that other financial institutions no longer make. Affordable loans and flexible payment terms are important to us, as well as assisting our members develop a regular savings plan. Let us show you how Mutual Savings Credit Union can help your employees while providing you a free enhancement to complement your current benefits. As a preferred partner of Mutual Savings Credit Union, you can do that.
You can